Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display page control inside UIKit application for iOS. So in case if you don't know what is page control, something like this. So here I have one page, and if I swipe, here is the next page. Here I can swipe, kind of like an indicator, paging indicator. So yeah, let's see how to do this, and in the second part I will show you how you can add timer to this as well. So I've just created a UIKit application which extends from UI page controller, data source as well as delegate. Then here I have created our controller as well as page control, page view controller as well as page control. Then here I have created some pages. So for that I have created another Swift file called content view controller which extends from UI view controller. And here if you want, you can use view did load, whatever you feel like. I have just defining one color, that's why I'm just passing one color, that's why I have used something like this. But you can use it like a normal UI view controller with all the life cycles, whatever you feel like. So here I have created 3 instances of the same thing. Then here we are calling setup page view controller as well as setup page control. If you see setup page view controller, we just initialize our page view controller, set the data source delegate, and here by default it starts from pages of 0. Then we add it as a child, then add it as a sub view as well, and then we just do did move parent to self. Here I'm just setting some NS layout constraints so that it occupies the entire width and height of the screen. Then setup page control, here I've just created a page control. I'm setting the number of pages, and here is our current page equal to 0. Then page color tint indicator color as well as page indicator tint color as well. Change this to whatever you feel like. Again we are doing some NS layout constraint for that as well, so that it is at the bottom and the center. And here we are overriding few methods. So here basically I'm just getting the view controller, and if it is visible, typecasting it to content view controller and assigning the current page index. And here we are getting the index of what page is being shown. And again the same thing, this is the view controller before and this is the view controller after. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Now how to display a timer as well. So first I'll copy some code, okay, and I'll just paste it inside our view controller code. So this is our main view controller. It's more or less the same thing. I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here. I'll just rerun my application, and if you see over here, most of it is same. So this entire part is same. Here you can see we are defining a timer as well as a timer interval, and here we are starting our auto scroll timer. So I'll just show you the output. So here you can see, I think the time is 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds it will automatically move to the next page. So you can see over here, so we are just starting the start auto scroll timer. And if I scroll down, here you can see in setup page control, we are first initializing this time progress of UI page control timer progress, okay, and resuming our timer. Also, if once it reaches last page, it comes back to the first page. Okay, so here you can see I'm trying to pinch it to the left hand side, but there is no page involved. Then again, so this is the new bit of code which I have added in setup page controller, and here inside view did load we are also calling the start auto scroll timer. So if you see over here, we are just invalidating the auto scroll timer and just scheduling to move it to the next page. Here we are stopping our auto scroll timer in case if you want to stop it. Here I have moved to the next page. So this is the logic. So once 10 seconds are finished, we automatically update the index by 1 so that it moves to the next page. And this is the same thing which I have shown you. We just call start auto scroll timer over here as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.